I'm recording this video to show you how to use the Cimatron NcExternal functions to automatically calculate your toolpath and post out the G-code and NC setup sheet automatically. And as we know, for each electrode file designed, sometimes you need to make more than one electrode. For example, you might need to make a NC for rough electrode, and then semi-electrode or finishing electrode or polished electrode. In Cimatron, we support 4 types of electrode. And this NC external allow you to load the predefined template from your server to apply to the electrode. So as you see here, we have for this electrode, I'm going to calculate for rough, semi-finishing, and also the polished electrode. And after you apply the template, no need to calculate. NcExternal will help you calculate all the toolpath and automatic post out the G-code and also generate the Excel sheet for you. This is an example. Let's say now I have one electrode. Okay, so to machine this electrode, maybe I decided there's four electrode I need to do. I have a rough electrode, I have a finished electrode, and a semi electrode, and a polished electrode. Different electrode might have different spark gap, things like that. In Cimatron, we can apply a template. I'm going to show you how to apply a template. So your company should have your own standard template for electrode machining. So I'm going to select this. So after I load out the template, this is all the template. So I have all the NC procedure for the 4 types of electrode that I need. All is here, and it is predefined. So of course, if I'm going to calculate this one by one, it might take a long time, especially if you have a big part. So I'm going to show you. So after you load the template, if you go, you can use NcExternal. So what you need, you just save the file, no need to calculate. So in this case, let me just close this. Let's presume I already have, I'm going to use NcExternal here. Let's presume that I already have like five NCs found here that I already applied the template, but yet to calculate for the toolpath. So you can use the NcExternal to do batch calculations. Not just batch calculations, you can also do posting. So you can select to recalculate everything or just calculate those that has been suspended or interrupt or manual edit. To save time, I'm not going to do any calculation on toolpath. I just do the posting. So I'm going to select post, and for this post, I'm going to select one of the posts that I've customized for one of our user. This is a FANUC electrode post, and then after done, you can select which folder. So let's say I'm going to copy this. I'm going to export to this folder, all the machining data. And then after you select everything, so you can just press execute button, and everything is automatic, so Cimatron will go into each NC file, and if the toolpath is not yet calculated, it will automatically calculate the toolpath. If the toolpath already calculate, it will automatically post out the G code and automatically do the filing, and also generate the NC setup sheet according to the user need. And the example I have here is from one of our customers that do a lot of electrodes. I'm showing live here. Here you can see electrode number 1 already done. So it created 4 folders. Inside each folders we have the setup sheet and also the G code for different cutter. This customer of mine, they prefer to have one cutter, one programs. I'm going to show you, right? So I have for this rough electrode, I have 4 programs, and this is the Excel sheet. That is automatic generate. Let me scale down. There you are. So each electrode, in this case, I've generated a rough electrode, a semi, a finishing electrode, and a polish. Of course, most of the case, normally you only generate a G code for the rough electrode and a finished electrode. This example just to show you that in Cimatron we can support up to 4 types of electrode type per NC file. The calculation still running. Now already done electrode number 3. Yeah. Now 4 is done, so it's going for the electrode 5. Just imagine how much the time it will save you if you have more than 5. Maybe you have 20, you have 30 electrodes. And of course, if you see this video and you like the solutions, and you can contact us to create a post for you, to customize the post and the NC setup report for you, so that you can use the NcExternal to do automatic post-processing and NC setup creations. So done.